let us move on to the next project, which is detecting the objects of the same color based on the OpenCV. Okay, that means in the image, if we have the different colors and if you want to find out the objects with a similar color, same color object, if you want to find out, so then you can use this code, use the tools and techniques, methods which are defined inside the OpenCV library, so that you can find out the similar colored objects in the frame. Okay, so for that purpose, what we need to do, first we need to read the image. Next, in this step we need to convert for any machine image processing techniques or any works using OpenCV or the images, you need to reduce the complexity as much as possible to get the most effective result. If more effective, accurate results barbeku andre, you need to reduce the complexity. As much as you reduce the complexity, the better results you will able to get. Okay, so for that purpose, what's this complexity reduction way here you need to follow is, ಯಾವುದೇ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಗ್ರೇ ಸ್ಕೇಲಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇಂಟು ಗ್ರೇ ಸ್ಕೇಲ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ if you want to do any operations, like if you want to get a scanner like options, or if you want to find out the filtering or edge detection or any operations you want to do with the images, then you can easily do it. Okay, so with the less complexity, like which means if you have the colored image and straight away work on that, then it means that you need to work with the 3 layers of matrices, 3 layers of numbers matrix, 2D arrays. Okay, the work will be complex when it is compared to the work with a single layer of matrix, right? So for that purpose, to reduce the complexity, you need to convert the colored image to grayscale image. Next step in this project, you need to specify what is the minimum and maximum color bound, that means the layer values. That means if you want to have a colored pixel in the image, then that pixel is made up of 3 layers of pixels, and that 3 layers will be for each primary color, and the combination of 3 layer pixel values only able to get you the final color pixel. Okay, for that purpose we need to specify what is the minimum and maximum color bound for a specific color. Okay, so if you want to find out a red colored object, you need to specify the RGB value, layer values, that means the combination of 3 values, minimum what that color, minimum value what that color should have, and what maximum what could have, what it could possess. So that you need to specify. Okay, so ishtu minimum range inda ishtu color vargu bandre adella red shades alle ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Layer values na ನೀವು specify ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, minimum bound and the maximum bound will be specified. After that, we need to specify it like once you have finished with these steps, you need to mask, you need to cover up what are all the other pixel values. ನಾವೇನು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕೋಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕಲರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್, ಆ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ಆ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಲರ್ ಪಿಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಕವರ್ ಅಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್. Okay, so once it is finished, I need to specify the boundary of that specific colored object. Okay, to get the boundaries, to get the object specific colored object separated from that other objects, I can take the help of contouring. Okay, contouring it gives you the boundaries of the object, specific object. Okay, for that purpose I can take the help of contouring. So after this process is done, I can extract it and I can display it wherever this color is appeared. So make a boundary around that and specify that where that color has appeared. Okay, so that's what done here in this project. So making lower bound and upper bound I'll find the colors within the boundaries. That boundaries will be performed, find out by using find contours method. Okay, find contours will be given by the boundaries. It gives us the boundaries of the specified object, specified colored object. ನಾವೇನು ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿಂದ ಯಾವ್ದು ಸೆಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದರ ಬಾರ್ಡರ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ contouring, then it will do that like that itself. Okay, so here I said the contouring find contours method to give a boundary of a specified colored area. Okay, so that's what it done here. Okay, so after that I'll draw the boundary. It will just find contours will just find it and it will be stored in an array format. So if I use the draw contours, then it will draws the boundary around the object. Okay, specified area, what's the region of interest, so around that it will going to draw a boundary if I use draw contours. Okay, so after that if we display that, you'll able to get this. Okay, so now I have to use the color boundary for yellow color bound for yellow color. So then wherever the yellow colors might appear, so it will give you the regions of that. If I give the lower bound and upper bound for blue color, it will give you the blue color region. So wherever the blue colors are appear, so it will give you the boundaries of that object. Okay, so like this you can specify, you can detect the objects of the same color. Fine. So just a sec, I can take the help of another object. We can make use of another image like colored chips. I hope everybody have this image .png. See, able to recognize this? So we have boundaries around the yellow object. Okay, only yellow object. If we give the boundaries for red here, see here I have a boundaries for green. Okay, we can check out that also. ರೆಡ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಗ್ರೀನ್ ನೀವು ಬೌಂಡ್ಸ್ನ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ ಕಲರ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಲರಿನ ಸುತ್ತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬೌಂಡ್ರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾನು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಸೊ ಅದರ ಸುತ್ತ ಬೌಂಡ್ರೀಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್. Okay, so this is how you can specify, you can detect the objects of the same color. What's the steps you are going to follow here? First, need to convert into from colored space to grayscale. Okay, colored image to grayscale image. Then you need to find out the color bound. So what's the minimum value that color could have and what's the maximum value that color could have. You need to specify the combination of 3 layer values for a intensity of that pixel in that color. Okay, so that which will specify a specific color to be recognized. Okay, so and then you are going to find out the contours. So where it will going to before that you need to mask out all the other pixels to get the contours. Okay, contour clear ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ pixels mask ಮಾಡಿ cover up ಮಾಡಿ and you want to remove all the noises from the image. Whatever the noises which will be present in the image, those will be removed and then it will be contoured and then the contours will be drawn and finally it will be returned as a output. Okay, fine. So that's how we can detect the objects of the same color using OpenCV methods which are specified in the OpenCV